What's up, you guys? This is Lars here, back with the boot care series. Today we're going to be going over cleaning the boots. So first thing that you're going to want to start out with is taking out your laces. I've already done that today. And the next thing is going to be, you're going to want to check right in here in all these little pockets because for dirt and debris. So that's actually what can cause a lot of punctures to that Gore-Tex liner, is dirt and debris getting in here. And the next thing you're going to want to do is get all the big chunks of dirt off. So what I've done is I've just kind of taken this off a little bit, and I did kind of click the boots together a little bit outside just to get the big chunks of dirt off. And then I've also taken the sides of this brush here and just kind of scraped off all the big chunks that I couldn't get off. One thing that I do have today is I just have some water here with just standard cleaning solution in here that we are going to be using to just extract some of that dirt from the leathers here. So I'll kind of show you here. Get that started. And I always start with the bottom up. Start with the rand here. So one thing that getting all this dirt off your boot is going to do, and you want to do this honestly after every hunt if you can, at least get all those big chunks of dirt off, because it is going to take all that moisture out of the leather and potentially break down that leather a little bit faster, because it'll pull that moisture out, and then it could potentially cause some cracks in that leather there. Go ahead and wipe this down here. See, still got a little bit of dirt here, so we're gonna go over that just a few more times to try to get this really nice and clean. Also, you want to make sure to get around these eyelets, because if you don't clean the eyelets super well, it could potentially cause some squeaking in the boots, which you definitely not want, especially if you're doing an archery hunt situation, and it can just be a little bit annoying to listen to all day. Then we're going to go ahead and do this synthetic tongue as well. One nice thing about this synthetic tongue is it is going to make this all leather 200 gram boot still breathe extremely well. We're actually going to go to a little bit smaller of a brush. Down here. So just while we're cleaning this rand here, all that this rand is meant to do is just to protect the upper of this boot. So that's why we've integrated it. That's why it comes up so high. It's in all those high wear areas to protect the leather, protect from punctures through the leather if you're going through cactus, thorns, extreme rocky terrain, or basically anything like that. Get those eyelets nice and clean. Try to get this as dry as you can, and then we are going to leave this boot to dry out just for a little bit, and then we'll come back to you with the conditioning video.